The human body is an amazing blend of mysteries, surprises, and incredible design. While we might think we know a lot about our own bodies, there are many weird, wonderful, and often overlooked aspects that make being human so remarkable. Let's count down from 12 strange facts to the most fascinating one about the human body. Brace yourself for surprises. Number 12. Your heart creates enough pressure to squirt blood 30 feet. Your heart is a remarkable pump that works tirelessly to keep your body functioning, and the strength it exerts is astounding. With each beat, it creates enough pressure to squirt blood up to 30 feet. This incredible power ensures that blood reaches every part of your body, delivering essential oxygen and nutrients, while also removing waste products. The heart's ability to maintain such pressure means that, even though it's about the size of your fist, it's one of the most powerful organs you have, beating approximately 100,000 times a day to keep you alive and thriving. Number 11. Goosebumps are an ancient reflex. Goosebumps may seem like a strange reaction to cold or fear, but they're actually a leftover from our evolutionary past. When the tiny muscles at the base of each hair contract, the hairs stand up, creating what we know as goosebumps. For our ancestors, this was a way to trap warmth or to appear larger in the face of danger. Though our body hair has diminished, the reflex still remains, reminding us of a time when our survival depended more on body hair. Number 10. Your eyes can distinguish about 10 million colors. The human eye is capable of distinguishing about 10 million different colors, making our vision incredibly nuanced. This ability comes from the presence of millions of cone cells in our retinas, each tuned to pick up various wavelengths of light. This remarkable feature of our eyes allows us to perceive the world in its full, vibrant beauty, from a breathtaking rainbow to the rich hues of a sunset. Number 9. You have enough iron in your body to forge a small nail. The human body contains a surprising amount of iron, with enough to forge a small 1-inch nail. This iron isn't just an arbitrary component, it's crucial for survival. Most of the iron in your body is found in your blood, where it plays a vital role in helping red blood cells carry oxygen from your lungs to every other part of your body. Without this iron, your cells wouldn't get the oxygen they need to produce energy, which would make even the simplest daily tasks impossible. This small element is truly a cornerstone of your body's ability to function, supporting everything from your muscles to your brain's activities. Number 8. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. The human nose is far more sophisticated than many people realize, with the capacity to remember approximately 50,000 different scents. Each scent you encounter is stored as a memory, which is why a particular smell can instantly transport you back to a childhood moment, a favorite vacation, or a loved one's embrace. This impressive ability is thanks to olfactory receptors that detect and categorize thousands of different odor molecules. The olfactory bulb then processes this information, linking it with memories and emotions. The power of scent is not only about enjoying pleasant aromas, it's deeply tied to our emotional and cognitive experiences, making your nose a gateway to some of life's most vivid recollections. Number 7. Your liver can regenerate itself. The liver is one of the most remarkable organs in the human body due to its ability to regenerate itself. Even if up to 75% of the liver is removed or damaged, it can grow back to its original size within a matter of weeks. This regenerative power is vital, considering the liver's crucial functions: detoxifying harmful substances, producing bile for digestion, regulating metabolism, and processing nutrients from the food you eat. Unlike other organs, the liver has specialized cells that can multiply rapidly when needed, ensuring that it continues to perform its life-sustaining duties even after substantial injury. This ability makes the liver one of the body's most resilient organs, capable of recovering from significant damage in a way that few others can match. Number 6. The body's strongest muscle isn't what you think. When it comes to strength, most people think of bulging biceps or powerful legs, but the strongest muscle in the body, pound for pound, is actually the masseter, the jaw muscle. The masseter is capable of exerting a force of up to 200 pounds when you bite down, which is no small feat considering its size. This strength is essential for chewing, grinding, and breaking down food before digestion begins. Despite its relatively small size compared to other muscles, the masseter plays a vital role in our everyday lives, allowing us to eat a variety of foods that sustain our bodies. Its efficiency and power are a perfect example of how the human body's design emphasizes both function and strength, often in places we least expect. Number 5. You shed millions of skin cells every day. Your skin is constantly renewing itself, and part of this renewal process involves shedding around 500 million skin cells each day. This natural shedding is part of the body's way of keeping the skin healthy, as dead cells are replaced by new ones, ensuring a fresh and protective outer layer. Over the course of an entire lifetime, this shedding process adds up to roughly 40 pounds of skin. Though it may sound strange, it's an important process. By getting rid of the old, your skin helps to prevent infection, protect against environmental damage, and maintain its elasticity. This constant turnover keeps your largest organ functioning at its best, acting as the first line of defense for your body. Number 4. Your tongue is as unique as your fingerprint. Just like fingerprints, your tongue has a pattern that's entirely unique to you. The surface of your tongue is covered in ridges, grooves, and bumps that form a one-of-a-kind texture, making it as identifiable as any biometric feature. These features are influenced by genetics, but they also change slightly over time due to various factors, like diet and health. While tongue prints aren't widely used for identification, they theoretically could be, since no two tongues are exactly alike. This uniqueness goes beyond its functional role in tasting, chewing, and speaking. It's another surprising reminder of how every part of the human body carries its own signature, making each individual truly distinct. Number 3. Babies have more bones than adults. Babies are born with around 300 bones, while adults have only 206. This difference is due to the process of bone fusion that occurs as a child grows. Many of a baby's bones are made of cartilage, which is softer and more flexible, allowing easier passage through the birth canal and facilitating rapid growth. As babies develop, these bones gradually fuse together, creating stronger, larger bones that form a sturdy adult skeleton. For example, the skull, initially made up of several separate plates, fuses to protect the growing brain. This remarkable transformation is an essential part of human growth, showcasing the body's ability to adapt and strengthen over time. Number 2. Your stomach's acid could dissolve metal. The acid in your stomach is much stronger than you might think. It contains hydrochloric acid, which is powerful enough to dissolve certain types of metal, such as zinc or iron. This potent acid plays an essential role in digesting food by breaking down proteins and other nutrients into forms your body can absorb. Despite its strength, your stomach is protected by a thick layer of mucus that lines the stomach wall, preventing the acid from eating away at your own tissues. This delicate balance allows your stomach to be both incredibly powerful in digestion and completely safe for the rest of your body, showcasing the impressive chemistry behind human digestion. Number 1. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Your brain is constantly buzzing with activity, producing enough electrical energy to power a 10-watt light bulb. This electricity comes from billions of neurons firing signals at rapid speeds, allowing you to think, move, and react to the world around you. Each neuron communicates with others by passing tiny electrical impulses, creating an intricate network of connections that never rests, even when you're asleep. This constant flow of electricity is what powers your ability to learn, remember, and make decisions. While it might seem like just a metaphor, your brain quite literally lights up with electrical activity, providing the energy needed to fuel your thoughts and actions every moment of your life. If these strange body facts blew your mind, be sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more fun and fascinating content. Let's keep exploring the wonders of the human body together.